what we have here is, what's the proper way to pronounce it?
Akrapovic.
We have this beautiful Akrapovic exhaust system going on this absolutely stunning RS6. It's going to increase the sound tremendously in this car. A complete titanium system all the way from the catalyst downpipe system all the way back. Actually retains all the factory valving system also, but still retaining all the factory emissions. It will be completely carb legal. We'll have no issues with getting this car to pass or creating any smog issues.
Here with our RS6. We've done quite a few things on this thing. Again, we had the Akrapovic exhaust on it, link pipe set. We did a APR Tune, stage 1 plus tune on this thing, added about 112 horsepower, 145 pound-feet of torque. And also, most noticeably, is the Urban Aero package on this thing. Full carbon added to this kit. We got the wing, the mid-wing, the diffuser, the skirts, and the front lip. It looks really, really good. And we did also add our PPF, our Envision fancy film on the carbon as well, to help keep it from yellowing in the altitude up here where that carbon gets destroyed. So this is going to help protect it for years on end to come. This vehicle has been a staple here at Envision for the last few months. We've waited about 5 months for this Urban carbon kit that is well worth the wait. This is, to our knowledge, about the second or third kit in the States, and this is done right before SEMA. So we are lucky to have our hands on one.
We are here at SEMA. We're getting this, what year is this?
2021.
How many, I mean, this is like, you guys been here a lot of different years, right?
Yeah. It's the same.
Same, but different. But we're gonna show you some cars, so stay tuned for that. What's the word, Mr. Joe?
It's very nice.
They
You
fixed some
approve?
things.
Carbon, all the things.
They fixed some things, that's for sure. They definitely fixed some things.
Most important,
Like those hips?
Yeah.
That hip's my favorite part now.
That's what you
Even the
needed.
rear, even right here. That used to be so straight down, and now it's like, it actually has some angle to it. And we got some width here, some girthy boys.
What's up? Thanks for watching the show. Hope you guys enjoyed what you saw at SEMA 2021. Stay tuned next week. We've got this G-Wagon that was unfortunately wrapped by somebody for $4,000, which is, I can't believe anybody could even charge $4,000 for. So please stay tuned. Watch the biggest hack job I've ever seen in my life next week.